Alright, so the website I chose, I'm going to go to ABC Math. It's a great website I used in the classroom and I've used with my son. So when I'm in the classroom, I will put this on for my students. I had a 3-year-old class and they will have, get a chance to work on the computer during center time if they would like. And so I would put on different things like go to the farm. So you click on it, double click, and there's different activities you can do. ABC Mouse is a subscription that you do have to pay for. Right now they have a sale where you can get the first 2 months for $5, but it is $9.95 every month. But I would think it is great. You can get it on your phone, you can use it on the computer, and it's really a great tool for students. Like I said, I use it in the classroom and I use it with my son. So you can, they can navigate the buttons as well. They know how to go home and it talks to you. A lot of times I would go to the classroom, and then in the classroom you can go to reading in the language arts. And these are the different books they can go to. So my son really likes counting, and he loves going to the grocery store because we do that a lot. So this is a book that he enjoys. I would put this on for him. I would teach him, we have to wait for it to come on. It's patience, and I'll sit here with him while we read the book. And so you'll press play. So then you can stop it anytime and go to different parts of the book. And then also you can change users if you have different kids, or if I want to go to my account, which I'm the primary account holder, and then this is the users. You can go back, so they can go back to the different books. You can go back again. They're still in the classroom. They can do math, social studies, art. He really loves art. You just click on here. He loves apples. You can pick which one he would like to choose, and you can paint it. So you can click on the color he would like. He likes the green bananas, so you can make it green. Or he can undo it. Clear it. Make it a different color. Make it purple. Make it red. And A is for apple. So again, different learning tools that different children can use. And it's free and it's accessible. It's not free. It costs for the month. It's $9.95 a month, but it is, they have a deal where they're having 2 months for $5. So yes.